Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Michael Kors model, Havar MK5004 in color code 1045/25. It's a rose gold color frame. The temples has a Michael Kors logo in gold. As well as this side. This is the back of the frame. The lenses are a blue mirror color. And it has a Michael Kors logo engraved on the top left lens. They are RXable. Up here we have a Michael Kors case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, an authenticity booklet, and a manufacturer booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.